Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WDLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very nice move on this one, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but just to build a bit of context here, to think that not that long ago at all, the price was all the way down here. Now, all of a sudden, the price has worked its way up to there. Of course, there's still more work that needs to be done, but point here being from where the price was to where it's been able to manage to work its way back up to, good, solid move, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts and by using a specific level, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that is where this area here comes into play, right there at 002, that resistance level from a previous video I've talked about. But there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this situation. Because why is that level so important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but the reason why that level is important and helpful is because if the price were to come down here and then break down below there, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those set of lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to show signs of progress. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote sign of progress would be by staying up above that 002 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch moving forward now going to be right up here at, let's see, what is that? 0039. So 0039. Public enemy number one moving into next week. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very respectable move today. Very nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.